Hi friends, welcome to Khan Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about access timing parameter. The service ID is 0x83. This is video part 17, UDS part 12. So, what is access timing parameter? This service is used to read and change the timing parameters of a communication link to be on active state. So, if there is no communication between the tester and the ECU goes on to the default session after a certain point of time. So, here the tester sends a request, and for which the ECU sends the response. If there is no request being sent for a certain period of time, and if there is no response, if there is no request, obviously there would be no response as well. So in such case, the ECU would automatically go on to the default session. For this, there are 4 supported subfunctions, that is 01 read extended timing parameter set. That is, it would read the extended timing parameters that is being set. For example, if there is a default timing that is being set, that is, it might be 1 minute. If a default timing is being set as 1 minute, and if a user wants to extend the default timing and he sets the default timing to 2 minutes, that part of the data is being read, that is read extended timing parameter set. 02 is the second subfunction, that is set timing parameters to default values. If the user wants to set the timing parameters again back onto the default values as per the OEM. OEM is nothing but the original equipment manufacturer. As per the OEM, whatever the manufacturer has set the default values, the timing parameter is set back onto the default values. 03 read currently active timing parameters. As the subfunction mentions here, it reads the currently active timing parameters. 04 set timing parameters to given values. If the user wants to change the default values, after changing, if he wants to set the timing parameters, that is being set using 04 subfunction. So this is the request frame and this is the response frame. So here we are going to see the positive response. So the tester sends a request. Here 02 is the PCI and 83 is the service ID and 03 is the subfunction. And this is the response. The response would be 02. Since it is a positive response, 40 would be added onto the service ID. That is 83 plus 40 is C3 and 03 is the subfunction value. Here the negative response, for which we give the length as 03 and the service ID is 83 and 03 is the subfunction again, for which we would be getting the negative response, that is 03, 83, 7F is the negative response and 13 is the length. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. If there are any queries, please mention your queries in the comments. Thank you for watching.